Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the PG candidates. So because here the NIT recruitment notification is announced. NIT is National Institute of Technology, and only post graduation you can apply for this one as a fresher also. Then you are going to get 40,000 rupees per month if you selected, and with PhD you will get 50,000 rupees per month if selected. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the post graduates, whatever the subjects I am going to show you in this video. And if your friends or colleagues belongs to those departments and looking for such type of opportunities, then please share this video. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. To the present content of the video, so it is a National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal. So it is the Institute of National Importance under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So here notification is released for the temporary faculty recruitment 2021, and here you may check down the NIT Karnataka Surathkal is an institute of national importance established by the Ministry of Education in the field of engineering, science and management at UG, PG and PhD levels. Applications are invited in the prescribed format from eligible candidates for the position of temporary faculty in various departments at the institute as detailed below, purely on a temporary basis with the consolidated remuneration. If you are having the PhD, you will get 50,000 rupees per month, and if you are having the MTech or MBA or MSc, then you will get the 40,000 rupees per month. Fine. And coming to the name of the department as well as the number of vacancies, you may check down. Computer Science and Engineering 10 vacancies, Civil Engineering 1, Chemical Engineering 1, Electronics and Communication Engineering 5, Information Technology 9, Mathematical and Computational Sciences 9, Mechanical Engineering 4, Metallurgical and Material Engineering 1, School of Management 3. So total 43 vacancies are there. The remuneration will not be enhanced for any reason during the term of the engagement, and the appointment will be for a period of 1 semester only. Okay, and there is no further extension. Why? Because that is not mentioned here. And the essential qualification MTech or ME or MBA or MSc or MA in the relevant discipline. Further, for general or OBC candidates, the minimum first class, that is 60% or 6.5 by 10 CGPA, both at UG and the PG level. And for SC and ST candidates, minimum marks 55%, that is 6 by 10 CGPA, both at the UG and the PG level. PhD in relevant field is a desirable qualification. They are not telling that it is mandatory, it's a desirable. But if you apply with PhD and if you got selected, then you will get the 50,000 rupees per month. And coming to the general instructions and relevant information, temporary faculty is expected to assist the institute for academic transformation in respect of teaching the UG or the PG courses, curriculum development, delivery and evaluation. They are also expected to collaborate with the regular faculty members of the department in research, consultancy and other departmental activities. They should be academically strong in their respective areas and should be able to communicate effectively with the students. And applications in the specified format available in the official website sent by post to the concerned head of the department or school will only be considered. Okay, that means you have to send the applications in the specified format by post only will be considered. And the reservations are applicable as per the Government of India norms. Okay, consolidated remuneration fixed at the time of joining will not be changed during the period of appointment, and no other allowances are admissible. The appointment is purely temporary for 1 semester and extendable depending upon the performance as per the government or the institute norms. That means in this 7th point they mentioned that depending upon the performance as per the government or institute norms, there may be a chance of extend after 1 semester also. Fine. And the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview, will be intimated through the email or mobile only. No separate call letters for the interview will be issued. And the shortlisted candidates will be required to appear for an interview in the online mode. That means simply by sitting in your home, you can attend the interview, guys. And complete application forms in all respect along with the self-attested photocopies of relevant certificates or testimonials or research papers, etc., are to be sent to the respective head of the department by speed post or registered post, so as to reach the institute on or before 26th July 2021. Okay. and address to which the applications to be sent, head of the department and the department of which one you are applying, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal, and Srinivasa Nagar, 575025, Karnataka. To this address, you have to send the application forms. And the cover should be clearly superscribed as application for the post of temporary faculty in the department of what? Electronics and Communication, Computer Science and Engineering, you have to clearly mention. No request for change of interview schedule shall be entertained. And the candidates who have completed PhD or MTech or MBA or MS in the academic year 2020 to 21 have to produce the provisional degree certificate at the time of interview, failing which they will not be considered for an interview. That means 2020 to 21, who finished your PhD or the post graduation, at least if you did not have the original degree, you have to produce the provisional degree certificate which mentions the course completion certificate. Right? And the candidates are required to attach the following documents along with the application. What are the documents? Are valid photo ID, date of birth certificate, and all academic or professional certificates, mark list of all semesters or years of UG, PG programs, degree and provisional certificate of PhD, PG and UG programs, caste category certificate. Non-creamy layer means you have to submit the, you have to attach the non-creamy layer OBC or the EWS certificate, GATE, NET, CSI or NET scorecard if any, experience certificate from the previous employers, and reprints of your research publications, any other information related to eligibility. All these things you have to attach to the document, application form. Right? So these are the points mentioned, and the last date for receipt of the filled application form with all relevant documents is 26th July 2021 is the last date. And next to this notification here, details of qualification and specialization required for temporary faculty odd semester, that one also mentioned here, so you may check down. So computer science and engineering, HOD's mail ID is provided, and you have to have the qualification or specialization PhD or ME or MTech in computer science or the computer science and engineering. And for the civil engineering, chemical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, so like that in each and every department the qualification as well as the specialization is also mentioned, so you please clearly check out, guys. Okay, and next, while coming to the official website, so it is the National Institute of Technology Karnataka Surathkal official website, and in this website you may check down the recruitment of adjunct faculty and the temporary faculty. So here whatever the notification we saw up to now, it is a recruitment of temporary faculty. Adjunct faculty we will see later, or else if you want to check, you may check through the official website. I will provide the link also. And the general instructions and relevant information we saw up to now, and whatever the prescribed application form that they mentioned in the detailed notification, that is this application form. Okay, you have to take the printout of this one and clearly fill up all these details, or else convert this PDF into Word document and then fill up all these details by typing, okay, in the laptop, and then after typing, then take the printout, okay, and attach the relevant documents. Fine. So what are the topics here? The particulars that you have to fill up here is that name, father's or spouse name, date of birth, category, and your contact, details of educational qualification, details of GATE or NET scores, and details of PG or PhD thesis, details of the employment or experience. You have to attach the proof, research publications, you have to attach the first page of the paper, any awards or distinctions won, any other relevant information, declaration, and then that's it. Right? So these are all the things, and I will provide the official website link where you can get the PDF format application. Okay, this link I will provide, so please check out, guys. And if you want to get the details regarding this one notification, just click on this one. Right? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, Okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.